There is one currency more valuable than money, status, or opportunity. Time. Once spent, it never comes back. It doesn't refund. It doesn't forgive. It doesn't pause when you're lost. And it doesn't wait when you're distracted. Time is the most brutal currency on earth. You can be broke and bounce back. You can lose everything and rebuild. But the moment you waste time, it's gone. Forever. And here's the truth. Most people are selling their time cheap. They trade hours for comfort. They spend days chasing distraction. They give away months to fear, doubt, and procrastination. They donate years to jobs they hate and people who drain them. While the world burns time, the elite do something else. They protect it. They weaponize it. They build value around it. Because they understand. You are not paid for your time. You're paid for what your time produces. One man earns $10 an hour. Another earns $10,000. Same 60 minutes. Completely different mindset. The difference? Discipline. Skill. Focus. Leverage. Standards. If your time is cheap, it's because you've allowed it to be. You don't need to work harder. You need to become more valuable. Train your mind. Sharpen your skills. Control your focus. Make every minute earn. Every hour compound. You need to stop being available to everyone. Stop saying yes to things that steal your time. Stop living like you have forever. You don't. Every second is a negotiation between who you are and who you could be, between impulse and purpose, between distraction and domination. Your time is either building your empire or wasting your potential. There is no neutral. So stop treating time like it owes you something. You owe time everything. Because every second that passes is a second you never get back. And every second you waste is a future you erase. Learn to sell your time at a higher price. Not just in money, but in standards, in meaning, in impact. If someone wants your time, they should earn it. If a job wants your time, it better align with your mission. If your habits demand your time, they better move you forward. Anything that wastes your time is stealing your life. And the thief looks innocent. A notification. A binge. A lazy morning. A friend who doesn't grow. Time is invisible until it's too late. Until years are gone. Until your reflection shows a man who never became what he could have. So ask yourself, how expensive is your time? What does every minute build? And who are you becoming with the hours you're spending? Because the most successful people aren't the busiest. They're the most intentional. They know where their time goes. They guard it like gold. They shape it into power. You can too. But only if you stop wasting the most priceless thing you have. Time is the great divider between the average and the elite. Between those who watch the clock and those who own it. Own yours. Before it's gone.